We got Miller and Gemma getting ready to go get the ball. Ready, guys? Ready, Mel? Ready? Go get it, Mel. Go get it. Here they go. Oh, Gemma got to get her. Get her, Mel. Hi, buddy. You can get her. Go get it. Go get it from her. Go get it. You can get it from her. Hey, buddy, what you thinking of Papa's? Huh? You're going to play? There's the little guys. This is the little guy's house. They're in the tunnel. They get to play around. I think they're 8 weeks on Wednesday. They'll be 8 weeks old. Hi, big guy. Hi, big girl. That's Bonnie. Who's over there? There they go through the tunnel. My agility doggies. They're having fun. We got a tip board too, a little teeter. Hey guys. Where are my papas? There they go. Hey Connor. Hi guys. Connor. Con. Hi buddy. What? Don't knock me over, Mel. Hi guys. What's going on? Oh, Connor. He's crazy boy. Gotta fix your ear, buddy.